cut the zucchini in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. So this is optional, but if you want your dish to look pretty, yeah, go ahead and do this. And I don't just do it one way, I do it the opposite way too. So I have that cross hash. I mean, it looks pretty on a steak, a pork chop, almost anything barbecued, so why not a vegetable? Once it gets warm enough, then I'm gonna add an oil that has a high smoke point. In this case, I'm using avocado oil. It's one of my favorites. So while it's heating up, so I wanna start the heating process first, because it takes a while. And I wanna salt and pepper each one of my zucchinis here. Let's add some of this oil right here. You don't want to have just a little bit of oil. You want enough that you're not going to run out. You want it to coat the entire bottom of the pan, especially when doing this. All right. That's what you're looking for. Just like with anything else, you want that little sizzle sound to occur. There you go. 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to burn it, but you'll see the look I'm looking for. Sometimes you just want to use like your butter knife to peek to see if it's kind of not there yet, not what we're looking for yet. It's okay. That's kind of what you're looking for right there. See that? Yeah. It doesn't have to be all perfect, but you want your vegetables to look a little pretty. Yeah, so. All right, so maybe I flip this one just a little bit longer in the middle there. But honestly, it's gonna roast in the oven. So here's another trick I do. So if you have, like, for example, I have some leftover rosemary that I'm not going to use, and some leftover thyme, again, that I'm not going to use. I made some Italian food the other day. I'll just put it in here just to get some more of those aromatics on the vegetables. Come follow me, I'm going to put it in the oven. Put the timer on for 20-25 minutes, 425. Take a look. Delicious. Easy. Serve that with anything. Any meat, fish, poultry, whatever.